I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over some pixel perfect tips, HTML box. So the HTML box is a very versatile tool you can use inside the Builderall website builder, and with it you can install your own pixels, your own scripts, your own codes, and also display websites. It's basically like having another window open inside of your website. So to add an HTML box, we come into Add Element, scroll down to Apps, and click Add HTML. And as you can see, this brings up a box. So you can right click in the box, click Edit, and you can change it from HTML to link. So the link is where you will put in a website link to display any website inside of the box. So for example, I'm going to type in builderall.com and click Confirm. And now you can see that the Builderall website is displayed inside the HTML box. You can use this strategy to display full web pages inside of your web page. So if you want to share an interesting article or an interesting website and then display a call to action over the top of it, you can do. So you can right click and then put it to width 100, and you can have it cover the entire page. And then you can simply put a box or something pinned to the side as an overlay to get people to click on your call to action, but you're actually sharing someone else's website with someone else's content. So another way to use the HTML box is to add scripts or pixels to the website. So we come in and add the HTML box, we can come back into Edit, and then we can add scripts into the head or the body of this HTML box. So adding scripts to the head and body does pretty much the same thing as coming into the page and then adding head scripts or body scripts, except you'd be able to control where the scripts appear. So in this video we went over some pixel perfect tips, HTML box.